Oh, Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Stellar price update, and obviously, in this video, we are also predicated Stellar XLM. A lot of people message me that make a video why Stellar XLM is going in the lows and when there is possibilities that the price of Stellar will become positive, guys. So in this video, we shortly predicated Steeler. Keep watch this video complete. And if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so first of all, you have to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos about crypto. Guys, the currently price of Steeler in the market, as you can see here, is about 0.33, sorry, 383,952 USD dollar. The price is in the cents. That's mean that cheap price coin in the market. And obviously if the changes is going negative, so the price will falls, the price becomes very cheap. Now, unfortunately, the last 1 hour update is also positive, but there's great news. That's good news for all of you that the last 1 day, yesterday, in the last 24 hours, changes of Stellar XLM is positive, guys. So that is a note of huge pump, guys. If the last 1 day changes is positive, so I believe that that is a note of a huge pump. And absolutely, I think I also predicated Stellar XLM in my previous videos that possibility that Stellar XLM price will pump in the last week of October. So finally, now it is the beginning of October. I believe that that is last 60-minute changes, and I believe that very soon you found Steeler in the positive mode. Possibilities from tomorrow, and you know what? Now the changes is becoming positive. You can see a negative 0.04, only 0.04% changes is negative, guys. So that's possibility that that is only 5 minute dump. So guys, just hold, don't worry about Steeler exiting. Steeler exiting is also a profitable coin in the market, and obviously possibilities 80 to 90% possibilities that the price will become positive due to the last of October, guys. So I recommend holding, not selling, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Steeler? Share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.